to my 12 days of Christmas. Today is episode 10 and I'm going to make you an Aussie Pavlova. What we're going to need is 6 egg whites, which I've got in my bowl, 1 1/4 cups of castor sugar, 2 teaspoons of cornflour, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar and 1/2 teaspoon of imitation or vanilla essence. What we're going to do is we're going to whisk these egg whites until they form a soft peak. You can do this by hand or you can do it with a hand mixer or an electric mixer. Okay, as you can see, some soft peaks have formed. Now we can add the castor sugar slowly, 1 tablespoon at a time, and until it's all dissolved. Now, as you can see, that's lovely and thick and glossy. To test whether the sugar's all dissolved or not, just rub a little bit of pavlova between your fingers. If it's still gritty, just beat it for a little bit longer. Mine is, so we're going to whisk it for a further couple of minutes. Now we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 teaspoons of cornflour, and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. That will stabilise the egg. Now we're just going to whisk that again for a couple of minutes. Just until it incorporates in. Just lift that for a moment and scrape the sides, just to see that it's all incorporated in nicely. And whisk for a further minute and then it's done. At this point you should have had your oven preheated at 120 degrees. Now if you want to, draw a circle on your baking paper on a baking tray. I'm going to just do freehand, but we're going to do it in the shape of a circle. So put it all on there. It is easier for some people to do a circle. Using your spatula. Beautiful, lovely and thick and glossy. Here we go. Now we're going to flatten it down. Not too much. Until it forms a circle. And just go around the edges to tidy the edges up. If you want to, just put a few peaks. There we go. That's my pavlova. We're going to cook that in the oven at 120 degrees for approximately an hour and a half until it's quite firm. There you go, that's my pavlova. I cooled that in the oven overnight and it's beautiful texture, nice and crispy. I'm now going to go and decorate it, and I'll put a finished product picture on the end of this YouTube. Thank you for watching. Have a go.